Hello guys, welcome back. I'm your host DV from DV Photography, and we're gonna take a picture of Head and Shoulder today. We got a softbox right here with Gold X flashes on both sides, double diffusion. You can see here, I am shooting on a tripod. Um, I got my setting for the camera here. We are shooting manual. You can see right here, I have the flash off. That's the trigger. The manual shooting, like I said, the shutter speed is 1/250 f8, ISO 50, manual focus. Manual focus. Also, I have the I'm gonna take a picture. Self timer right here, so you can see now. Nothing is all black. The picture you can see on the screen. Now I'm gonna turn on the trigger, and I'm gonna go and turn on the flash right here. The flash is off, like you can see. I turn it off on. It's 1/16 of a power. Remember, subscribe, leave your comment, and share. Now I'm gonna excuse me, I'm gonna take the other picture, and now here it goes. And you can see nice highlight right here. What you see the highlight on the other side is because we have the white diffuser, so that's why it shows there, because remember, white shows. Now I'm gonna put the other flash on. On both flashes we got 1/16 of a power. Now I am going to take the other picture, and I'm going to show you right now the other picture. Here we go with both flashes on. Beautiful how it looks, really nice. But the letters, you can hardly see it like that, but we got another, I got another flash that I'm going to be using. Here goes in this new, and this one, this is a 1/32 of a power. I'm going to change also the self timing for the flash because it's only 2 seconds. I'm gonna change it to 10 so it can give me more time to set it up, and that way I set it up and look. Also, I'm gonna show you all the picture, and the end I'm gonna show you the product that I took to Photoshop, and I did it, from Lightroom to Photoshop. I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you the process, but I'm gonna show you the end up picture. Here it goes. I'm waiting for the trigger. There you go. It flash, and here is the end result right there. This is beautiful. I like that. So now, please subscribe. Take care. See you until next time. I'm your host DB from DB Photography. See ya.